colleagues, and my dear students. Good evening. I want to begin my speech by congratulating Telugu sir because it's been years, this is my 4th year working as an English teacher, and I have never seen students singing so well, reciting poems so well. I have worked in Warangal and I have been working here for 1.5 years so far. But then this year you have done excellent job and that driving force is awesome. And on another note, I also want to congratulate all my dear students who have painstakingly marked up all these poems which you don't even understand at times, isn't it? So, hats off to you all. You did a great job. I also thank all the staff for sitting here and witnessing the program. For any language to be learned, the very first step towards language learning is copying. In another way, mimicry. Alright, when you learn your mother tongue, how do you learn? What is the first step? You copy your mother's, father's, whatever they say, you try to say it, right? So this poem recitation is one of that type of mimicry or copy. You copy when your sir is reciting in the class and you try to learn. So the very first step towards language learning is saying whatever is said to you and listening. Right? So only if you have good listening skills, you will be able to understand things and also articulate it very well. And I have seen you have been doing very well in Telugu, and I expect that to be inculcated in English and Hindi subjects as well. Telugu language has been known for its quality of musical quality when we speak. Rabindranath has come to has listened to Telugu and he called it Italian of the East because Italian has that musical quality when we speak. So that's the kind of quality our language, our own mother tongue possesses. But sadly, this generation, all including me, even I know very little about Telugu language myself. So we are neglecting our mother tongue and we know very little about our own language. I hope programs like these will bring the importance and also make you realize your own importance of your own mother tongue. And to end my speech, I also want to recite another poem, Telugu poem. So to convey this musical quality of Telugu, there is I don't know I forgot the name of the poet, but then he has written a poem to convey that musical quality of Telugu. So here, when you recite that poem, what you hear is tabla playing. Okay? When you hear that poem, it looks like, it sounds like tabla is being played. Okay? It's been long since I recited something, so I'll take my risk and I'll do it. I hope I'll do it.